Everyone, today I want to show you how to add a featured channel to your YouTube channel on PC. First, open your browser. Once you're logged in, go to your channel. Once your channel opens, we'll see how we can add a featured channel to it. On your channel, you'll see two options: Customize Channel and Manage Videos. Click on Customize Channel. A new tab will open. Scroll down until you see the Featured section. Right next to it, you'll see the Add section button. Click on it. A small format will open. Scroll down and you'll see the option Feed Channel. Click on it. A new format will open. In this format, you can search for the channel you want to feature. For example, I'm searching for a channel called Fix Master. As soon as you start typing, a lot of options will start appearing below. For example, this is my channel. I select it and you can see here that it's selected. Next, you'll see the Done button. Click on it. After you click on it, the format will disappear. Now, you'll see the Publish button in the right corner. Click on it. After you click on it, the channel will be featured on your channel. Let's go back to our channel and see if it's showing up in the Featured Channels section. To do this, refresh the page. As soon as your page refreshes, you can see here that the channel is now inside the Featured Channels section. Anyone who watches your videos will see this channel. That's how you add a featured channel to your channel.
Thank you for watching this video. If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.